병원이 함께 갑니다. 무릎, 허리, 어깨 수술부터 고혈압, 당뇨, 만성
We always in Spain have this thing that Germans are really like.
Yeah, but I mean, in
That's the
comparison
stereotype.
to Spanish people, right?
Oh.
Yeah, she wants to save her own life. Do you have a joke?
Genuinely believe the possible reoccurrence.
I just spent 20 minutes doing my hair, ended up absolutely hating it, and just threw it into a claw clip. How I love being a woman. There's literally 2 people at the library right now. We're the real hard workers. Locked in. Where's everyone? At least my friend's also working today, so if I get bored, I can talk to her.
I don't think so. Even if the forces have a
So
lot
that's
of
not a
them,
motivation for
I don't
Fair
think
enough.
so.
I might be reading.
OOTD. Woo! It's raining. I have to get an umbrella.
경찰한테 걸렸어요.
씨벨 한국에서
We will most likely have that in June.
The document that she did last time.
That looks very small.
Nice making this because it's my first time.
News about a car boat in Butte. Productions is becoming increasingly
So yesterday we had this trial run of some volunteer work we're going to be doing, and it was a lot of fun. It was a really good experience. However, there's this trail we're supposed to walk, and yesterday it was raining the entire time. So we were walking in the rain for like 5 hours, and I had underestimated how cold it would be, so I wasn't wearing clothing that was warm enough. I woke up this morning with a cough. Yay! I have a really long presentation this week, so I just hope I won't get sick, so I'm actually able to do that and I'm able to speak. At least it gives me an excuse to drink some yuja tea, so let's hope I get better soon. Yesterday I spent the entire day doing research, and so far today also spent the entire day doing research. I finally finished the script of a 40-minute presentation I have to do on the first day, and I also finished a paper that was related to the same topic, and I just handed that in. And now I have to create the PowerPoint for my presentation. I feel like I haven't really interacted with any other human beings for the past 2 days. I'm gonna get a little snacky, and then I'm gonna see if I can score a nice little beverage somewhere, and then I will go back home and get to work again. Oh my gosh. It's times like these where I truly feel like a Yonsei student.
이번 정류소는 연사교입니다.
So, during the past few days, I've gone to school to study and work on my projects and my presentation for tomorrow. And I've been doing quite well. Normally, I think if I was back in my home country, I would have just stayed at home and done all of it in the comfort of my bedroom, and I wouldn't have spoken to anyone, and I would have just kind of isolated myself until it was complete. But I didn't feel like doing that, and I'm glad I did, because it felt nice to go to school and see my friends and my peers and just have some chats here and there in between, and go for a little walk around campus when I got really stressed out and really exhausted. So it was really nice. I'm gonna do the same thing today. I don't have any classes, but I'm just gonna go to the library and study for my exam also tomorrow. Yay! I also got some drawing done yesterday, which was really nice. My theory is always when you're really exhausted doing too much mental work, you have to do something creative. And if you're really exhausted doing a bunch of creative work, you have to do something a little bit more mentally challenging. So, once again, the theory has been proven correct, in my opinion. Girlies, we did it! I finished the presentation and I finished the exam. Hallelujah! The first thing I did once I got home was immediately switch into my pajamas, which is this shirt of Pitbull. I really like this shirt. I think it's very fashion forward. As a little celebration ceremony, I also got some press-ons for my nails. A friend of mine really swears by these. They're from Olive Young, and she was like, they're really good quality and she loves them, and now she changes her nails every single week. So I wanted to try them at least once, and it's really pretty. I wonder how long they'll stay, but for now it's fun. I'm going to chill without this haunting feeling that I'm doing something wrong. Hopefully have something delicious for dinner, but we don't know that yet. That's the future. And then my next responsibility will be on Monday, because I have to attend an online event. And on Tuesday I have a dinner. Yeah, it's fine. This weekend I will chill. I will chill like I've never chilled before. No one has ever chilled harder than I will chill this weekend. I can promise you that. I'm looking forward to it.